Welcome to Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. In this video, I am going to explain about the importance of organization behavior. So the topic is about why the organization behavior is important and how far it is helpful for the internal as well as the external persons are related to the organizations. So OB is important because it improves the workspace efficiency by fostering the better communication, leadership and teamwork, leading higher employee productivity and satisfaction. By understanding how the individuals and groups behave within an organization, and managers can protect the and influence the behavior to align the employee goals with the company objectives. So that this is the most important aspect, like manager will align the employees motivational factors along with the organizational goal. So for organization enhances the performance and efficiency. Stronger culture can create. So for this it is important. Effective leadership is needed. Better communication to the team members and successful change of the management. So for employees, increase the job satisfactions. The personal and professional growth is possible. Improve the work culture as well as the workplace relationship. So if you talk about the manager, so what for the manager it is important for is it motivates, it communicates, and the manager will have a different perception about the employee satisfaction, and he will communicate the things and improve the decision making. Like managers can use the OB principle to make a more effectively they can take a decisions by understanding the human elements behind the various situations. Then better conflict resolutions. If any issues, OB provides the frameworks through strategies to understand the root causes for conflicts and for resolving them into the constructive manner. And it motivation and engagement is also possible, like by understanding the factors that motivates the employee, manager can implement the strategies to increase the engagement in the better performance. So apart from this, the OB plays a very important role by by balancing the internal as well as the external factors. So when we deal with the external factors, why organization behavior plays a very important role, it studies about the individual and group. Apart from the group activity, it is more involved in a selection of the people, those who are involving in the organizations, improves the skill, understand the nature of the employee, and it enhances the efficiency and effectiveness, and it tells about the maximum utilization of the resources which is useful for the organization for the better development. So if we talk about the key elements of the organization behavior, like we know that the basic four key elements are people, structure, technology, and external environment. So the people, structure, technology is all interlinked with the internal as well as the external factors of the organization behavior. So the basic key elements will focus on how to develop a internal factors along with the link towards the external factors. So internal factors are like resources, employees, circumstances, organization culture. So these are the factors which obviously it will affect the entire organization performance. It affects the production and work culture and job satisfactions. Once the employee get the job satisfaction, he try to retain in the same job. So if some kind of conflicts or misunderstanding, so if manager shows the impartialities, then there is a possibilities of employee to move to another organization. So ultimately it affects the external factors, like it affects the production, it affects the other kind of job, which is it is not possible to continue the job in a future. So these are all the possible aspects why it is needed. So enhancing the organization goodwill, so OB is important. Influencing the management style, OB is important. Resolving the conflicts, OB is important. And motivating the employees, increase their productivity, all these circumstances, OB is important. So therefore these are the fundamental reasons why the OB is important in a organization. So we'll see a continuation to this in the next video. Thank you.